Linking your bank to Artifactory could streamline your financial transactions and improve your workflow. Follow these steps to successfully connect your bank account. Step 1. Create an Artifactory account. Visit the Artifactory website and sign up for an account if you haven't already. Fill in the required information and verify your email address to activate your account. Step 2. Access the payment settings. Log into your Artifactory account and navigate to the Settings or Account Management section. Look for the payment or billing options where you can manage your financial settings. Step 3. Select Bank Linking option. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Enter bank details. You will be prompted to enter your bank account information, including your account number, routing number, and any other required details. Ensure that all information is accurate to avoid any issues. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your bank details, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, save the changes. You may receive a verification email or a notification to complete the linking process. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account should be successfully linked to Artifactory, allowing for easier financial management. If you encounter any issues, consult the help section or customer support for assistance.